What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. I got a special video for you guys today. It's going to be a book review, and the book I'm going to be reviewing, I got it up on the screen, and I got a solid copy of it right here. It is Technical Analysis Using Multiple Time Frames by Shannon. What an amazing book this is right here. It's about 170 pages long, but these 170 pages it's jammed packed with information going over how to read charts, how to identify trends, the buying, the distribution, the selling, moving averages, risk management, how to enter, how to exit, patience, discipline. He goes over so many great topics in this book. I have to give this a solid 4.5 stars out of 5. This has become my new favorite trading book after reading this book. It took me a while to read this book, about a month. It took me to read this book because I'm so busy with working a full-time job and trading through the week and only getting one day off. I was only able to read 15 pages every weekend, 20 pages every weekend, but every time it felt like every time I sat down and I read 15 to 20 pages, I would learn something new and I would have the week to reflect on what I learned. Let it sit in and settle in my brain instead of just pounding away at this book, running through everything and then forgetting a lot of stuff. I really think reading 20 pages a week of this helped me out a lot, and it made me understand and take in a lot of information that came from this book. This is just an amazing book right here, and when you order a copy of it, you get a couple things with it. One, you get a bookmark. You get a bookmark of alpha trend, swing trade guidelines, trade tips, just some fun facts on this little bookmark here. And you also get a little couple posters with it. You get this poster, and then you get a bigger poster right here of it. This is if you buy a brand new copy of the book, though. I don't know if you'll get all this stuff if you buy a used copy of the book. But as you can see right here, I got it up on Amazon. This is where I purchased it from. I'll put a link in the description if anybody's interested. $76 for it right now on Amazon. A little bit more pricey than most of the books that are out there, but you're going to get what you pay for. I guarantee you that. If I scroll down a little bit, even on the reviews on Amazon, look at this. 85% give it 5 stars, and 4 stars, 6%, 2%, 3%, 4%. So majority of people who bought this book loved this book. This is an awesome, awesome book. Literally every weekend I picked this book up and read the 20 pages. It was just so exciting to turn the next page to see what he would say next in this book. I didn't want to stop reading it. I did not want to put the book down. It speaks for itself. You have a review from me saying it's an awesome book, and on Amazon, it's got 85% 5 stars. It's just an amazing book, jam-packed, filled with information. He wrote this book very, very well. And also in this book, he also has colored pictures in it as well. If I can show you real quick. He'll have charts. He's got charts in this book. And like most books are black and white charts, these are colored charts with red and green candlesticks and the moving averages. I'll tell you what, he really did a good job breaking this book down and explaining what's going on and what his thought process is, how he would trade it, the risk-reward ratio on these setups, and using moving averages. and there's a chapter even with fundamental looking at news when looking at stocks in the market, psychology. There's all kinds of stuff in this book. Also, if you go to YouTube, he also has a YouTube channel, Brian Shannon. That's all you gotta type it in. I'll also leave a link in the description down below for his channel. He does a lot of stock market analysis. His recent video was October 26th. Definitely follow Brian Shannon. He knows what he's talking about. He's been a full-time trader since the early 90s, I believe. Definitely follow him on YouTube, and you never know, you might learn something new from him. The way I look at it, I want to try to learn from as many professional traders as possible, because it's not only going to make me better, it's going to help me see different perspectives on how other traders view the market. And then he also has a website as well, alphatrends.com, and I'll leave a link in the description down below. He has a lot of blogs he'll post on this. He posts his videos on this website. He's got a trading course. Just check out this website right here. Most definitely. Brian Shannon knows what he's talking about. The book he came out with, How to Use Technical Analysis Using Multiple Time Frames, right there it even says it. Top 10 trading book ever written. It most definitely is. He doesn't just take your money, feed you a bunch of recycled content that everybody else talks about. He actually lays down his ideas, how he views the market, puts it in the book for you. Just a solid book. Out of 5 stars, I give it a solid 4.5 stars. It's an amazing book. It has become my new favorite trading book that I've read. So make sure you guys check it out if you're interested. I love reading trading books. I have a lot of trading books that I've read. So slowly but surely, I'm going to go through them and start doing reviews on all of them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys check out Brian Shannon. Again, I'll leave the link down below for all this stuff I talk about for you guys. Until next time, guys, be patient, be disciplined, and study. Alright, guys, later.